Web searches are one of the easiest Alfred features to adopt in your everyday Mac life. By default, Alfred includes dozens of web searches for popular websites like Google, Wikipedia, IMDb, YouTube, and quite a few more. You'll find these in the Web Search section of the Preferences. Simply type the keyword, followed by your search term, and Alfred will launch your default browser with the search pre-filled. There are no doubt sites you want to use that we haven't included. In that case, it's time to create your own custom searches. If you're lucky, the site you want to add may support OpenSearch or Search Action standards, which makes adding a custom search extra easy. Use the Lookup button. Alfred will discover the custom search format for you. If the site doesn't support the standards above, adding a custom search manually is easy too. The key to creating a custom web search is to work out the search URL for that site. In this example, we'll create a custom search for the BBC Food website. Open your web browser, search for something, and replace the search term you used with query, like so. You may need to experiment a little, as every website is different, so some may require a slightly different URL format. Use the test button and search your website until you've got it right. If you can't work out the URL you need to use, pop by the Alfred forum, where the Alfred community can help you work out your query. Want more control over your custom search? For example, you may want to specify which browser a particular search opens in, or use one keyword to open multiple searches at once. To do this, you can use workflows instead. In this case, we are specifying which browser we'd like the custom search to open in. The search options you see when Alfred has no relevant local results to offer are called Fallback Searches, and you can use your custom searches here as well. We've created another video which shows you how to customize your fallback searches, which is linked in the top right and in the video description. Subscribe for more tips and tricks about Alfred, and have fun!